A typical upgrade usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks from start to finish. And as I've mentioned a few times already, we start the upgrade process with a technical audit. So you might be wondering what a technical audit is. So during this audit, a member of our upgrade team will run through some questions with your team, such as, would you like to host GP in the cloud? Would you like to complete the production upgrade during normal business hours, or would you prefer to do it over a weekend? We also find out how you are currently using GP and how you hope to be using the system in the future with the new features available to you. And then we'll log into your system and pull the technical information needed. And from there, we'll be able to deliver an estimate and a project plan to move forward with the upgrade. Once approved, we'll hold a kickoff call with our project manager, and you'll also be assigned a dedicated upgrade consultant. And then we'd like to have the key members of your organization on the call as well to ensure your hardware is ready for the upgrade and map out specific dates and key milestones of the project to start working toward your desired go-live date. We will then hold weekly status calls to touch base on the status of testing. We'll go over budgets versus actuals and ensure that we're all on track and all on the same page moving toward that desired go-live date. During the test upgrade, as previously discussed, we'll prepare a new SQL test environment with all of your relevant data and third-party products. We'll upgrade all of your third-party products at this time, as well as Management Reporter. The latest and last release of Management Reporter is Cumulative Update 16. So if you're not already on that version, we'll put you towards that version. But again, if you're not happy with Management Reporter, this would be the time to look for alternative reporting solutions to put in as a replacement. Before we hand this environment over to your end users, we'll conduct What's New training so that they're aware of everything that's available now in the new system. Although there won't be that much learning curve in the new system when it comes to how to navigate the version, there are so many new features available that we want you to know about. So we'll cover everything from your current version up to GP 2018 so you could see it all. And we could set up this training whatever way would work best for your users. So we could train all of your users at once. We could train the one person at your organization, and then they could go back and train the rest of your users. We could also do this either on-site at your offices or schedule remote sessions. That is completely up to you. So then after the training and once the users know how to use the system, we'll give your key users access to the environment to test all of your critical GP tasks and reports. And if an issue is found, your dedicated upgrade consultant will assist right away in resolving. We'll touch upon testing status on our weekly calls to ensure everything is moving along smoothly. And after we feel the testing has been done successfully, we'll hold a go-live readiness call right before your go-live date. Here we'll all come together as a team and say, yes, we're good to go live, or maybe we should put on the brakes and test a few more things out before we go live. The entire upgrade timeline is in your hands, and Sikich is just here to help get you to the finish line. So once we do have the green light, we'll upgrade your live production environment to GP 2018. Also mentioned already, this will take about 1.5 to 2 days, so we recommend conducting over a weekend when users aren't in the system to avoid that system downtime. And lastly, go live support. So once you're live in GP 2018, our GP upgrade consultant will be on call for your users the day of go live in case any issues arise, or if they just have questions like, where do I find this window, or how do I run this report? And just as a side note before we move on, since there are so many features that are new in GP between 2013 and 2018, many clients have Sikich complete a business process review with their users. So this just means one of our GP consultants will come on site and sit with your users for a few days to document all of your current processes and pain points within the system. And then the consultant will go back to the office and document each process with recommendations on how you could be using the system better, whether that be implementing a module or using functionality that you already have available to you that you may not even know exists. A business process review could be completed before or after the upgrade, and most clients do choose to complete a business process review every few years because as your organization starts to evolve, so does the software, so there's definitely more areas there that you could take advantage of.